E-72 vegan kitchen equipment.
Greetings and welcome to Healthy Vegan Living. We extend our warm regards as you join us for this podcast. Present here are Samantha and John.
I am Samantha, pleased to make your acquaintance.
And I'm John, your co-host for today. Due to unforeseen circumstances, Gary is unable to join us as he is unwell. Consequently, the podcast schedule will be adjusted, with episodes airing solely on Mondays and Fridays instead of the previously scheduled Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays.
I'm Gary, the host who's currently recuperating.
Collectively, we aim to provide valuable insights into the vegan lifestyle. We sincerely appreciate your participation and support in this endeavor. What kitchen items should a vegan kitchen use to make cooking more convenient, efficient, and enjoyable? For a vegan kitchen, here are some essential tools.
Knives. A high-quality chef's knife is a must-have for chopping vegetables, fruits, and other ingredients efficiently. A sharp knife not only makes prep work easier, but also safer. Cutting boards. Invest in large, durable cutting boards made of wood or plastic to provide ample space for chopping and slicing. Having multiple boards can help keep ingredients separate and prevent cross-contamination. High-powered blender. A powerful blender like a Vitamix or Blendtec is invaluable for making smooth nut milk, creamy soups, dips, and sauces from scratch. 9. It can also handle tough ingredients like nuts and frozen fruits for smoothies. Food processor. A food processor is versatile for chopping, shredding, and pureeing ingredients quickly. It's handy for making nut butter, hummus, pesto, and even vegan cheese from nuts and seeds. Nut milk bag. A nut milk bag is essential for straining homemade nut milk, juices, and broths. It allows you to extract the maximum liquid while separating out the pulp. Spiralizer. A spiralizer can turn vegetables like zucchini, sweet potatoes, and beets into noodle-like strands, providing a fun and healthy alternative to pasta. Silicone baking mats. Reusable silicone baking mats are a non-stick, eco-friendly alternative to parchment paper for baking cookies, roasting vegetables, and more. Vegetable peeler. Useful for peeling fruits and vegetables like potatoes, carrots, and apples. Cookware set. Invest in a good quality set of pots and pans, including saucepans, skillets, and stockpots. Non-stick pans are convenient for cooking without added oils. Baking sheets and muffin pans, essential for baking vegan cookies, muffins, cakes, and roasted vegetables. Steamer basket, ideal for steaming vegetables, grains, and dumplings while preserving their nutrients. Colander, essential for draining cooked pasta, rice, quinoa, and rinsing fruits and vegetables. Mixing bowls. A variety of mixing bowls in different sizes are useful for mixing ingredients, marinating, and serving. Measuring cups and spoons. Accurate measurements are crucial for baking and following recipes. Silicone spatulas and whisks, essential for mixing, stirring, and scraping ingredients in pots, pans, and bowls. Tongs, useful for flipping tofu, stirring vegetables, and serving salads. Vegetable spiralizer, perfect for making zucchini noodles, zoodles, carrot ribbons, and other vegetable pasta alternatives. Grater/zester, handy for grating vegetables like carrots and zucchinis, as well as zesting citrus fruits for flavor. Nut milk bag or cheesecloth, essential for straining homemade nut milks, juices, and making vegan cheese. Reusable food storage containers, ideal for storing leftovers, meal prepping, and transporting food. Slow cooker or instant pot, convenient for making soups, stews, and one-pot meals with minimal effort. Spice grinder or mortar and pestle, useful for grinding whole spices, seeds, and nuts for added flavor in dishes. Soy milk maker, optional for those who consume a lot of soy milk. A soy milk maker can be a convenient appliance to have for making homemade soy milk.
Having these kitchen items on hand can help vegans prepare delicious and nutritious meals with ease. As you continue cooking and experimenting with vegan recipes, you may discover additional tools that suit your cooking style and preferences. By investing in these key vegan kitchen tools, you can streamline your cooking process, expand your recipe repertoire, and enjoy delicious plant-based meals with ease. What are some vegan cookware options and brand names used in vegan cooking? Here are some popular vegan cookware brands and options for vegan cooking.
Ceramic cookware. Ceramic nonstick cookware is a great vegan option as it is free from animal-derived coatings. Popular ceramic brands include Green Pan, Caraway, Ikobo, Sensart, Amazon's Choice. Cast iron. Cast iron is naturally nonstick and very durable for vegan cooking. Recommended cast iron brands: Lodge, Le Creuset, Chantal. Stainless steel. Stainless steel is another vegan-friendly material that can last for years. Some quality stainless steel cookware brands are All-Clad, Cuisinart, Calphalon, Bamboo and Wood. For utensils, cutting boards, and other kitchenware, bamboo and wood are renewable vegan options from brands like Zungelboo, Newly, Ikobo. Silicone. Silicone is a vegan material used for bakeware, utensils, and other accessories by brands such as OXO, Stasher, GR.
By choosing cookware from these vegan-friendly brands made with materials like ceramic, cast iron, stainless steel, bamboo, and silicone, you can outfit an ethical, cruelty-free kitchen. What are some vegan-friendly baking mats? Here are some recommended baking mats.
Reusable silicone baking mats as a vegan-friendly and eco-friendly alternative to parchment paper for baking cookies, roasting vegetables, and more. Silicone is a vegan material that can withstand high oven temperatures. Some include Silpat, Amazon Basics, Kitsini, Valesco.
These silicone mats are nonstick, reusable, and easy to clean, making them a convenient option for vegan baking without the need for greasing or parchment paper. They reinforce that vegans look for cookware and bakeware made from plant-based, cruelty-free materials like silicone, ceramic, stainless steel, and glass. Silicone baking mats fit this criteria perfectly for vegan-friendly baking. What glass bakeware is generally considered a vegan option since it is made from non-animal materials? Popular brands that offer glass baking dishes include
1. Pyrex. Pyrex is a well-known brand for durable, oven-safe glass bakeware like casserole dishes, pie plates, and baking pans. 2. Anchor Hawking. Anchor Hawking offers a wide range of affordable glass bakeware, including casserole dishes, baking pans, and storage containers that are vegan-friendly. 3. OXO. OXO's glass bakeware line includes dishes like baking pans, pie plates, and loaf pans made from thermal shock-resistant glass. 4. Corningware. Corningware's classic white ceramic bakeware has glass lids and bases that are vegan and oven-safe. 5. Libby. Libby makes basic glass bakeware like casserole dishes and baking pans that are suitable for vegan baking.
Glass is an inert material that does not contain any animal products, making glass bakeware from brands like these a safe vegan choice for baking dishes, pans, and more.
Tune into our next bonus book review, where we will discuss Thug Kitchen, Eat Like You Give AF **K, Bad Manners by Thug Kitchen.
We extend our gratitude to your attentive participation in this podcast. Your listenership is deeply valued, and we eagerly anticipate your return for our upcoming engaging vegan episodes.
Could you please consider supporting my podcast? If you enjoyed this episode, you could contribute by gifting $5. Alternatively, you could donate through the Buy Me a Coffee website. The address can be found in the show notes. Your support means a lot.
I aim for accuracy, but medicine evolves and approaches may differ. My views are evidence-based yet open to feedback and new insights. No pharmaceutical or medical company funding ensures an unbiased perspective. However, this content isn't medical advice. Consult your physician for personalized guidance on health concerns.